पाकिस्तानान सीज फायर उल्लंघन केले उपरांत भारतान आपली भूमिका खर केला। सिंदूर जल समझौता सस्पेंडूच उरतलो। हेर प्रतिबंध काडचे ना म्हणून भारताची भूमिका। फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी विक्रम मिस्त्रीन दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण भारतीय सैन्याक जाप दिवपाचे पुराय स्वतंत्र। पाकिस्तानान आपली फटिंगपणां कायम दवरत शेनवारा पयले भारताकडेन संपर्क करून सीज फायर आणि चर्चेची विनवणी केली आणि काय वरां भितर स्वताच सीज फायर मोडले।
The empty ground is here, and you see this is the first weapon that is impacting. This is the impact point number 1 on Muridke training camp with our precision guided weapon on early morning 7. Next please. Keep your eyes glued for the second weapon coming in and the second impact on the selected target point. Next slide please. Third weapon, third impact. Continue. Fourth weapon, fourth impact. So through these targeted and precision targeting, we addressed the target at Muridke, which was the training infrastructure. Can you hear me? Go to the next target, which is the Bhavalpur training camp. So the effect, if you see, impact point, if I can point out, this is the impact point. The ammunition has gone through the roof and it has created a blast inside, the photographs of which you would have, all of you would have seen. And the red building, after that there was this double-story building. It has been completely decimated by our precision targeting. Target system which was in the north, a series of buildings. I will show you how it looked next. Completely destroyed by our precision targeting. Next. Now coming to Bhavalpur, this is the target complex that we are dealing with, a fairly large target complex. So we had to carefully choose the points that we needed to address, which were high value and which would meet our stated objectives of eliminating the terrorists. I would like to draw your attention to this red canopy, and in relation to that I would cover the targets. One target system is a series of buildings here, other one here and other one out here.
भारतान ह्या प्रकरणाची खर निंदा केल्या। भारतीय सेना पाकिस्तानाच्या आक्रमणाक तेच पद्धतीन जाप दिता। भारतीय सेनेन दिल्ली सावन सीज फायर उल्लंघन आणि पाकिस्तानी आक्रमणाक जाप दिवपाचे पूर्ण स्वतंत्र दिला। शेनवारा अमेरिकेचो राष्ट्राध्यक्ष डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पान मध्यस्थी करून सीज फायर जाहीर केले। पाकिस्तानाच्या DGMOन तशी भारताच्या DGMOक संपर्क करून विनवणी केली। काय वरां भितर पाकिस्तानाच्या राष्ट्रपतीन चीनाचो पाकिस्तानाक पुराय तेको आसा म्हणून वक्तव्य केले आणि राती उसरा परत पाकिस्तानासावन फायरिंग सुरू झाली। भारतान शिमेलागसारच्या शहरांनी ब्लॅकआउट दवरिल्लो। राती मोठो हल्लो जाल्ल्याची खबर ना। मजगती प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन आज उचेल्या पावड्यार बसका घेतली। बसकेक रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंग, परराष्ट्र मंत्री एस जयशंकर, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा सल्लागार अजित डोभाल, चीफ ऑफ डिफेन्स स्टाफ जनरल अनिल चौहान आणि हेर अधिकारी बसकेक आशिल्ले। मजगती विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी राहुल गांधीन प्रधानमंत्री मोदीक पत्र बरोवन खासा अधिवेशन घेवचे म्हण मागणी केला। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट।